latest project. This is a ring light for the milling machine. So there we are. That runs on 12 volts. And as you can see, it's got a couple of little spaces in there. Then I've made a bit of perspex to fit on the front. Not pretty, but it does the job. 3 screws in the side. So what happens is it just slides up over there. Oh, put the camera down. Flip it over. So it goes on there. Come on, get on there. Had you on once. Oh, there we are. There we go. Let's get it on there. Screwed. Right. So there's the light on. I just got to put some wires on it now and a transformer. So that's the light up there. And that's a nice ring light over there. It was so expensive, I can't believe it. It's cost me £6, this ring light, altogether. Oh dear. That is a bit of old soil pipe, plastic, does the job. Don't forget, this is Dave. We're signing off now. We're going on the flip side. We'll catch you again. Don't forget the bits at the bottom. Thumbs up and subscribe. We'll catch you later. Buzzy buzz. Whoosh, we're gone.